In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Add to Calendar link in Gmail. We'll take a Google Calendar event, generate a shareable link, and add it to your email so recipients can save the event to their calendars with a single click. Open Google Calendar and sign into the account that will host the event. In the calendar view, click the date you want. An event window will appear. Give your event a clear title, set the start and end time, and add a location or video meeting if needed. You can include a short description and any relevant details to help attendees know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Save to create the event. Next, open the event you just created from your calendar. In the event window, find the three-dot menu, often labeled More Actions, and choose Publish Event. Google Calendar will provide a public event link. Copy the event URL. A quick privacy note: publishing an event makes its key details visible to anyone with the link, so avoid sensitive information in the title or description if you plan to share it widely. Now switch to Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the body of the email, type a short call to action such as Add to Calendar. You can include context around it like the date, time, and a brief agenda, but keep the clickable text simple and easy to spot. Highlight the Add to Calendar text and click the Insert Link icon in the formatting toolbar. In the web address field that appears, paste the event link you copied from Google Calendar, then click Apply. Your text is now a hyperlink that takes recipients to the event page where they can add it directly to their own calendars. A few tips to ensure a smooth experience: make sure the event time zone in Google Calendar matches what you communicate in the email so times display correctly. If you later update the event, the same link will show the latest details so you won't need to resend it. You can also style the link text to stand out using standard email formatting like bold or color, so it functions like a clear button without images. For recipients using other calendar apps, the public link will open in a browser and typically offer an option to add or save the event. And that's all there is to it. You created a Google Calendar event, published it to get a shareable link, and embedded that link in Gmail as a clean Add to Calendar prompt that makes it effortless for your audience to save the date.